I don't want nothing. I just wanna be great. I just wanna be great. I just wanna be.
Beer weird thoughts are flowing on my mind for drop on this song. Like Addi and my daddy, so Devin fi come at this man. Likkle Dakta Fish, better go and go swimming in your fish man. Warlord no take no form of this. Listen with you, at the first in a history. Preset, this a day one. The artist, this a artist, he must sing with man the same song. That a Dutty style, that no Flairy. Tell him no ding dong. And if you think a SirPlus purpose that you get the thing wrong like. That's what the girls say. We just wanna be great and show a side where the world not see. Like when it come to lyrics, you me kick it like a jet li. I'll guarantee if you make your head a rock like Sedimentary. SirPlus the name. You need a chiropractor. Why in the world give it a nerve to try for Diss Devin di Dakta? Well, truthfully, we never mean a word star. Controversy said me just a see if it would a work for me. Me sorry if it caused you any earth star, but you wouldn't listen if me never discipline at the third bar. So here the results of me experiment. If you go pick me up or vex up like a hypocrite, me no need nobody. Me just wanna be great. I make some conscious music when the world can appreciate. I make a little money for my family. I grow my son up, making sure if you know what kind of man to be. And buy my daughter anything she wants, so no man can swallow her head and make anything them flaunt. And if you truly really understand me, anyway I see Devin di Dakta, tell the youth the thanks for me.